Are heart murmurs genetic? Have you ever wondered if heart murmurs in cats could be passed down through generations? This is a question many pet owners have, especially when dealing with health concerns like hyperthyroidism. Let's break this down together. Heart murmurs are unusual sounds that veterinarians hear when they listen to a cat's heart with a stethoscope. These sounds are caused by turbulent blood flow. While some murmurs can be linked to genetic factors, many are not directly inherited. Congenital heart defects are conditions that cats are born with, and these can sometimes have a genetic component. For example, issues like atrial septal defects or atrioventricular valve dysplasia can be present from birth. However, these congenital defects are not the only reason for heart murmurs. In fact, most heart murmurs in cats are secondary to other health issues. One of the most common causes is hyperthyroidism. This condition can lead to hypertrophic cardiomyopathy, where the heart muscle thickens. This thickening can create a murmur, but it is not due to genetic factors. Instead, it is a result of the hyperthyroidism itself affecting the heart. Other non-genetic causes of heart murmurs include conditions like anemia or obesity. These issues can alter blood flow or heart function, leading to the development of a murmur. When veterinarians diagnose heart murmurs, they rely on a combination of physical exams, electrocardiograms, X-rays, and echocardiograms. Understanding whether a murmur is congenital or secondary is essential for deciding on the best treatment. For congenital defects, early detection is vital to prevent complications. In cases where the murmur is secondary, treating the underlying condition, such as hyperthyroidism, is key to improving the cat's overall health and managing the murmur. In summary, while some heart murmurs can be linked to genetic factors through congenital defects, many are caused by non-genetic conditions. Knowing the difference helps in providing the best care for our feline friends.